13.5 hours is a long time. I might actually make my flight. In case anybody was wondering how much food poisoning sucks.
Co-founder of the Gentlemanly Mannerisms Club.
Heavier in my entire life, and I don't like it. I'm gone for 5 months, so like I need this stuff, but like I'm a really big fan of only having one bag. Today is the first day of the craziest experience of my life. I am in the Minneapolis airport right now. Today is Monday, January 2nd, and today is the day I leave for semester at sea. I've been waiting for this day since June of 2020. It's been 2.5 years since I applied and got accepted to semester at sea. This like doesn't feel real. It feels like I'm just going on a different trip and I'll be back soon. But that's not the case at all. If you don't know me, my name is Sarah. I am going on the spring 2023 voyage of semester at sea, and I make travel and lifestyle vlogs, mostly travel, and so this is my embarkation day vlog. Well, days. I'm going on a flight to Chicago right now. I'll get there about 5, and then I have a 2-hour 40-minute layover in which I have to recheck my bags because they're 2 separate flights. Then I have a 13.5-hour flight to Dubai, which is the longest flight I've ever been on. The longest flight before this was 12 hours from LA to Tokyo. Tomorrow night I'm going to be in Dubai. We're going to meet my roommates for the first time. Spent all morning packing. Up to the minute I left, I was packing. For any trip I go on, I can like backpack it or not check luggage, and I honestly prefer that. It's like just way easier, way less stressful, less to worry about. But I'm gone for 5 months. Like there's a lot of stuff that I need. Like I need 5 months worth of toiletries and shampoo and vitamins and snacks and clothes. 5 months worth of clothes for a lot of different climates. That's a lot of stuff. I cried saying goodbye to my brothers and my parents. My parents drove me to the airport. They're not coming to Dubai with me. I know some parents do go to where the ship embarks with their kid, but mine aren't. I've cried several times in the last couple days. There's a winter storm warning for Minnesota that's starting at like 3. My flight's at 3:30. So really just as long as we get in the air at the right time, I should be okay. I just want to get to Dubai. 13.5 hours is a long time. I'm so excited. This is gonna be the craziest 5 months of my life. Here we go. Make my flight. Do you see my face sweat? Insane. So basically, my plane in Minnesota had to de-ice for like an hour and a half, which meant that I had an hour and a half less layover in Chicago, which means I ran with my 2 heavy backpacks from Terminal 1 down to the bag check to get my 2 bags, then hauled them to the train over to Terminal 5, where the Emirates check-in was technically closed, but I found one person who checked me in, and then I ran over and pretty much right away got on the plane. And that was 13.5 hours. I watched 2 documentaries about the Beatles. Literally everyone on the plane is either from Dubai or going on semester at sea. There's so many semester at sea people staying at the Hilton Garden Inn. They have like a rooftop bar, so there was maybe 40 semester at sea kids at the rooftop bar last night, just like hanging out and talking. All these people who don't know each other. I'm at breakfast right now. Everybody's hot air balloon got canceled yesterday, or well, it was supposed to be this morning because it's too windy. This is kind of my one and only day in Dubai. I'm supposed to get up to 80, but right now it's like 72. So I have this really like light marble top and then some joggers and my Birks that will definitely be completely disintegrated by the end of semester at sea. I'm gonna go with my friend Taylor. We shared an Uber yesterday from the airport, which is all you need to know somebody when you're starting semester at sea. We're gonna explore today. It's for us. Yeah, it is. Tell how big that is, but like it's so big.
Eu vou pegar a fila pra dentro. In case anybody's wondering how much food poisoning sucks, it's so terrible. I've been waiting for semester at sea for 2.5 years, and I couldn't even enjoy boarding because I felt so terrible. And I just wanted to get to my cabin and lay down. I called the semester at sea emergency line last night at like 6 a.m. or something because I was awake, throwing up. They were like, oh, just talk to the med team when you get on the boat because you have to check in with the med team. And I asked them and they're like, we can't help you today, maybe tomorrow. And I was like, I can't wait till tomorrow. Like, I need help right now. I had one bite of a pretzel this morning and immediately threw up. Like, I have nothing in me. And I want to go explore the ship with, like, everybody else because that's what everybody else is doing. And I can't. Yay! My mom's semester at sea.
Scholars meeting. The location has changed to the Lido Terrace located on deck 9.
On the back of your cabin door, you will find a sign which indicates which master station you are assigned to.
Alright, well, in case you were wondering, if you have food poisoning and can't stand for longer than 3 minutes and then need to sit down during your lifeboat drill, people will usher you into the stairs and then they will eventually, once you tell them that you have food poisoning, they'll eventually tell you you can go back to your room, which is what just happened to me. They individually call each room number once you're out on the lifeboat deck, and they started doing that, and they started 1001, and I was like, we're 4005. Like, if I have to be out here until they get that far, I will pass out or throw up. It was literally just the first number they got to, and I was like, I need to sit down. You're literally stacked 3 deep in rows with your long sleeve, your hat, and your life jacket. Normally, I'd be totally fine. I'm not a claustrophobic person, very active, like, it's not a problem. But my God. And I haven't thrown up since this morning, so that's a good sign. But eating food is so hard. I still don't have any energy. Yay for food poisoning! I love not getting to experience things fully.
and welcome to our first official day at sea. Yesterday was kind of rough for me, obviously. I went to the medical team yesterday. They gave me some Gatorade packet powder thing. I kind of slowly started getting better. I still didn't really eat meals yet. I've had like some crackers. I had a fruit snack. We embarked yesterday at like 8 o'clock. Okay, sorry, 2000. That's gonna take some getting used to. Just kind of walked around. We had a dean's welcome, so kind of introduced all the faculty, and then we had our first sea meeting, and I am in the yellow sea. Me and my roommates are also all in the yellow sea. We're gonna have a whole lineup of meetings today. Luckily, I am better. I haven't thrown up since yesterday morning. I think I'm still gonna wait till maybe lunch to have, or at least try a whole meal. We'll see. We have orientation today, and then a first day of classes tomorrow.
From the university a long time ago.
Hello, so it is 9:30, excuse me, hold on, 21:30. People don't really talk about very much, but orientation day is exhausting. Me and my roommates all took a nap before the student assistants meeting, and it's just constant all day. It's all just orientation meetings about how to act in port, on the ship, things to do, IT, student assistants. I'm one of the 2 writing center assistants, so we met with our advisors for that, and it's just so much, and it's really exhausting, and people should just know that. Orientation day is really exhausting. At 2000, we just had the activities fair, which is probably the most chaotic thing that has happened so far.
My name is Adam Redbon. I'm co-founder of the Gentlemanly Mannerisms Club. Yeah. We will all join together to learn about what it means to be a true gentleman.
Together we're going to be studying this book on how to be a gentleman, as well as what it means to be a gentleman in all the countries that we're visiting. You do not have to be a gentleman to join the club, you just have to be interested in what it means to be a gentleman.
And just everyone who had any idea for a club, and there was probably like 30 people or more, probably closer to 40, honestly. And then it was just 500 students walking around signing up for clubs. I signed up for yoga and stargazing and poetry club and March Madness. We'll see if I go to all those. I just thought I might as well know about them. That is Embarkation. It kind of, for me personally, didn't go as well as I thought it would. I need help right now. We love food poisoning. Overall, I think going to class tomorrow is really gonna start to sink in that I'm actually on semester at sea, which is insane. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna finish unpacking because I still haven't done that yet. I need to figure out where my classes are. And then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired. Make sure to like and subscribe. Gonna be here for a lot more semester at sea content. Our first port is India. Thank you so much for watching.